Hey everybody, welcome to the Knowledge Business Blueprint. I'm going to take a few minutes here real quick and just walk through what the course looks like and also the layout of it. So here we go. This is the KBB homepage. KBB is what we're calling the course. So this is the homepage. Welcome video from Tony and Dean. Some of our next steps that we want. And then here are the modules that we have broken down. We broke down the course into 4 modules: extract it, fill it, run it, and knowledge broker. In the first module, extract it, this is where we're going to learn how to extract our knowledge and how to find out our ideal client, what we're going to teach in our small group workshop or mastermind, and a few other awesome things. As you can see in module 1, extract it, you're going to learn Tony Robbins' secrets to success, your expertise in ideal client, and a few other things. I won't go through every single lesson, but here's what we have right now. And as you go into a lesson, let me go into the Story Teach Tool lesson. You'll see inside this lesson that there's multiple videos. Each lesson has anywhere from 2 to 5 videos, which are all really cool. At the end of each lesson, we have a quiz. When they pass their quiz, they can unlock their bonus. So like I said, this course is broken down into 4 modules. The first one is extract it. The second one is fill it. This is how you're going to fill your small group workshop or mastermind. It's the marketing secrets. It's the funnel blueprint, the wagon wheel, multiple different pages, and our launch secrets. Again, each lesson has videos inside of it with a quiz. After fill it is run it. This is the section that's going to teach you how to actually put on your event and everything that you need to know that's involved in there. The perfect mastermind formula, virtual events, in-person events, and then the last steps. Then our 4th module is knowledge consultant, also a knowledge broker. This is where we're going to teach people how to, if they don't have their own following, we're going to teach them how to partner with someone that does have a following and help them extract their knowledge and put on a small group workshop or mastermind. Very briefly, I want to walk you through what an actual training session will look like. So I came back to module 1, and I'm going to go back to Story Teach Tool like I did in the previous example. And let's just go to a training video, The Secret Art of Storytelling. Inside the actual session will be the video, the session overview, action steps that the people can take, tools where they can download their tools, the audio where they can download that, and then the transcript where they can download that. We wanted to make sure every single student had everything they needed to make this the absolute best course in the entire world. We even created a really cool bonus for our students called achievements, also known as badges. So when you click over here, it'll take you to an achievements page where you'll actually get badges for things you accomplished, like creating your first event in the software, completing module 4, completing module 1. These aren't 100% done right now, but we're working on getting those uploaded. Those should be done probably any minute now, anytime today. But we thought these were really cool to keep people excited and engaged as they keep moving through the course. We also did something else that's really cool. We created what we call credits. So every time you pass a quiz, you get a credit. And then you can come down here to your account and you can go over to Power Moves and you can actually redeem your credits for some of these bonuses that we have. These aren't 100% up to date. The graphics aren't 100% up to date. Those will be changing today as well. But you can go ahead and take some of your credits, like as you can see I have 4, and you can actually access these bonuses by purchasing them with your credits. That's something we also thought was really cool. So I hope this has been a quick, easy overview of the course. Just to go back real quick to the home page and remind you again that the course is broken down into the 4 modules: extract it, fill it, run it, and knowledge broker. Extracting your knowledge, knowing what to teach, creating your agenda, the marketing and how to fill your event, and then how to actually put on your event so people keep coming back and want to keep buying from you in the future. And then of course the knowledge broker section, where if you're doing it for someone else, you can help them extract their knowledge and put it on an event and just share the profits. So I hope this is a quick, easy tutorial on our amazing knowledge business blueprint, and hope to talk again soon. Thanks, guys. Bye.